fabulous ladies. If you have been following my videos, you might remember this beautiful Hermes scarf from my video what I got for Christmas. And now that spring is here, it's the perfect time to start bringing it into my wardrobe. So here it is, my Hermes scarf. It's such a classic. And Hermes scarf isn't just an accessory, it's a piece of fashion history. Known for its luxurious silk designs and craftsmanship, this iconic piece has been worn by style icons, royals and fashion lovers for decades now. And here is mine. The colors are just perfect for spring. Soft yellow, muted blue and timeless neutrals. It makes it easy to style, I hope, and I will be showing you today from traditional knots to more creative looks that instantly elevate any outfit. And of course, if you love content about elegance, fashion and timeless style, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and be part of this community. And now, let's get started. An Hermes scarf is one of the most versatile accessories you can own, and today I'm going to show you different ways, chic ways to wear it. So if you are going for Parisian vibes or a more modern take, there is a style for every occasion. The first one is classic French knot. This is that effortlessly chic look, timeless, elegant and perfect for elevating even the simplest outfit. To create the Parisian knot, start by folding your scarf into a triangle. Drape it around your neck with the point facing forward. Then cross the ends behind your neck and bring them forward, tying a loose knot just below your chin. Adjust the knot slightly to the side for that undone yet refined touch. This style works beautifully with a crisp white blouse or a tailored blazer. It adds instant chic without trying too hard. Next is the chic necktie. Fold the scarf into a thin band, wrap it once around your neck and tie a simple knot at the front. This is perfect when you want to replace a necklace with something softer, but still chic. It works beautifully with a crisp bottom-down shirt or a structured blazer. A silk finish adds extra elegance, and keeping the knot slightly loose makes it look effortless. For a slightly more relaxed approach, the low knot drape is a great choice. Fold the scarf, wrap it once around your neck, let both ends drape and tie a loose, low knot near the chest. This is a laid-back yet chic way to wear your scarf, striking the balance between casual and refined. It works beautifully with cashmere sweaters, long coats or trench coats. Italian twist. This one is all about understated elegance. Think luxury but with ease. Start by folding your scarf diagonally into a long, narrow strip. Wrap it around your neck once and then twist the ends together before securing with a simple knot. The beauty of the Italian twist is that it adds dimensions to your neckline without looking bulky. It's perfect for layering over a turtleneck or a structured coat. Kerchief drape. If you want that effortless, relaxed, chic vibe, this one is perfect. It's a nod to classic styling, but with a modern edge. Simply fold your scarf into a triangle, drape it around your neck with the point hanging down. That's it. It's one of the easiest ways to wear a scarf, yet it adds so much character to an outfit. Think of it as the perfect finishing touch to a simple trench coat or a classic cashmere sweater. Double knot. This is such a stylish and secure way to wear a scarf especially if you want something that stays in place all day. Start by folding your scarf into a narrow band, wrap it around your neck twice and tie a small neat knot in the front. And you can tie a second knot if you want. This style is perfect when you want a more tailored and refined look. It pairs beautifully with a sleek blazer or a structured dress. Cowboy bandana. A bit bold, a bit playful and always stylish. This is such a fun way to wear a scarf, especially if you want to add a touch of personality to an outfit. So fold your scarf into a triangle, wrap it around your neck with the point in front and tie the ends at the back or on the side for a more relaxed effect. It instantly gives that effortlessly cool feel, great for pairing with denim, oversized blazers or even a structured trench coat. A printed Hermes scarf adds personality without overwhelming the outfit here. An Hermes scarf is one of the most versatile accessories you can own, and it truly has the power to transform an outfit. The simple yet chic ways of wearing it prove that you don't need to overcomplicate things to achieve an elegant and refined look. Which of these styles was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you love luxury, fashion and styling tips, make sure you like this video, subscribe and be part of this community. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.